Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today by the title you can see my friends are picking my makeup today. So last night I texted them all, asked them if they wanted to help me with a video, and I just was like, hey, so I'm gonna give you a step in my makeup routine and I want you to pick what I'm doing, whether it's like, if it's my like face makeup, if I'm doing cream or powder, like that kind of stuff, what eyeshadow palette to pick, what look you want me to do, all that stuff. So I have my foundation, my concealer, and I set my under eyes a little bit. I didn't want anyone to pick that because I thought that would be boring. So I had someone do like my bronzer, my blush, and my highlight. And that is my friend, Sydney. So Sydney decided she wanted me to do cream makeup. So like cream contour, cream blush, and cream highlight. So what she had picked today is, let me pull up her text really quick. So she wanted me to do for highlight, she wanted me to do the Wet n Wild, the cushion highlight, because the packaging was really cute. We are doing the Benetint blush, which I don't think I've actually ever used. And then the CoverGirl contour kit, because she wanted to see if it actually worked, and I've swatched this and it was like pretty, but I haven't played with it either. And then she also wants me to go in with the Makeup Revolution highlighter drops in the shade Champagne, because she wants to see how those work too. So I do have my under eye set because I knew that if I didn't I'd be a creasy mess, but everything else is nice and dewy. I will put all like everything that I have on my face down below, but we're just gonna like jump right in. Okay, so well, I've never used this product before, so I'm gonna take it on this e.l.f. contouring brush, and then I'm gonna take the middle shade first, get some product on there, and we're just gonna put it on like that. It's very cool tone, so I might end up adding a little bit of the bronzer too to make it a little more warm. Yeah, I'm just gonna add a little bit of the bronzer too, just on this brush also, and just kind of like stipple that on there with it. Okay, so that is the bronzer and contour. I actually really like this. It blended out really nicely. I think I put a little bit too much of like the contour. So I'm gonna go back in with the bottom one, that's the bronzer, and I'm just gonna take it on my sponge. It was funny when Sydney was picking these products, she was like, well, what do you normally do? And I was like, well, I kind of do a little bit of both sometimes. I said, but normally I do powder. And she's like, well, you're doing cream today. And I'm like, oh, fun. So we're gonna go in with the Benetint next. I'm just gonna shake it up because I haven't used this for a long time. So it's a rose tinted lip balm and cheek stain. I'm not sure the best way to do this, so I'm just gonna put a little on my cheek, and I'm gonna blend it out at the stipple. Oh, there we go. There she is. It's very, very subtle, but it's there. Oh, can you really see it on camera? Okay. I feel like it looks really rosy in camera. I could be totally wrong, but like in person, it really doesn't, which is actually really funny if it does look that rosy. All right, we're just gonna like stripe it on my other cheek. Like trying not to disturb the rest of my makeup either. I never do a full face. Oh, I never do like cream blush. This is weird. I'm a type of person who really likes nude blushes, like the very like pinky nude. Blush is looking good, contour is looking good, so we're gonna go in with this e.l.f. Or not e.l.f., Wet n Wild cushion highlighter now. I have used this before and I like this. This is a very like subtle highlight, so I'm just gonna take this on my sponge. But yeah, as you can see, it's a very like subtle glow. It's one of those, this is one of those products that if you're actually like trying to do like a no makeup kind of day. So she also wanted me to go in with the Makeup Revolution drops, the highlighter drops, so I'm gonna do that now too. I'm just gonna blend them out with my finger. that a lot. Those are really pretty. I've used them under like underneath my makeup, but I haven't used them on top yet. I like those a lot. They're very pretty. So the face is done, so now we're gonna move on to the eyes. So my friend Madison was in charge of the eyeshadows, and she picked the Carly Bible Deluxe palette from BH Cosmetics. And she specifically wants me to use the second row here, and then this bottom shade right here in the corner. And she also wants me to do a cut crease, and then she wants me to use a glitter. So that's just what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit and just kind of show you what we're doing. So I'm first gonna go in with this guy. I'm gonna use this as a transition shade, and we're gonna go from there. Alright, so I'm going to go in with this middle shade right here. And I'm kind of going to do the exact same thing I did with that transition shade. But I'm going to bring it down just a little further. Alright, so we have that great color, I'm going to take this guy right on the end here, and I'm going to focus this out on the outer corner about halfway in right now. Alright, so this is what we have so far. Before I go in with that darker shade, I'm going to start the cut crease. She wants me to do a half cut crease using the two shimmers in here. So I'm just going to kind of speed through this part, but I'm going to use this lighter pink shimmer on more of the inner corner, and I'm going to fade it into this darker one. Alright, so we have the cut crease done. So I am just going to take a little bit of this purple we used on the outer corner again, and this darker brown, and I'm going to kind of like just blend the cut crease together just a little bit more. I'm going to take that darker brown shade, and I'm going to take a little flat eyeliner brush, and I'm going to kind of stamp it underneath my waterline, and then up here just a little bit more closer to my lash line. So Madison also wanted me to do a little glitter. She said that she wanted me to do a silver glitter, silver or purple. So I'm gonna go in with silver. But she said she didn't want it to be like just all over the lid. She either wanted me to outline the crease in my inner corner or my lower lash line. So I think I'm gonna put it in my inner corner. I'm gonna take this NYX Cosmetics silver glitter and just some of my glitter glue. I'm gonna kind of put it right in my inner corner, and I might drag it down just a little bit right down here. Alrighty, so we have the glitter in there, and I like actually love it. It's just a fun way to like incorporate glitter without making like a total mess. So yay! So we're gonna put on the lashes next. I asked my friend Kylie to either let me know if she wanted me to do just mascara or falsies, and she was like, well, falsies, duh. So we decided to do the Tarte lashes right here. Super, super pretty. These are in the style Girl Boss. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm just gonna put them on with some Duo, and I am just gonna coat my eyelashes with just a little bit of this Man Eater mascara. I am gonna do this off camera though, because I am not good at putting lashes on camera. So peace. I'm feeling these lashes, guys. These are stunning. This is the first time I'm wearing these ones, and oh my god, I'm obsessed with them. These are probably like really close to my new favorite lashes. Wow. Wow. The glue is still drying a little bit, so once it's a little bit more dry, I'm gonna like squish my lashes together. But until then, we're gonna move on to brows. So my friend Lexi picked my brows. Lexi works at the Benefit Brow Bar at Ulta, so I figured, okay, well, we have to have her pick it. Lexi to pick a style and then what product she wanted me to use. So she decided she wanted me to do a feathered brow. So I'm going to be using the Essence Make Me Brow to do that. And then maybe to add a few more strokes of hair if needed, I'm going to take the Essence Eyebrow Designer Pencil. She wanted me to do a whole drugstore one, and so that's what we're doing. I have very full brows as it is, so I kind of rock a feathered brow almost every single day anyway. And so I just do brow gel anyway. So we're just gonna pop that through. I don't think I'm actually gonna use the pencil at all today. I don't think I need to. But what I am going to do, and this is something that I'm doing, which I do this a lot. I'm still gonna use a drugstore product, but I'm gonna take a little bit of like mascara, run that through my brows too, because it gives them just a little bit more definition then, and then it'll help them like stick a little bit more too. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look here. I love it. So I don't normally do like pink eyes like this, like ever, and so I like really like this on me, especially paired with this lip. It's like a perfect combo without even like it's not even like, or it's like a perfect combo without even knowing that it would be, I don't know. You know what I mean? It's a perfect combo like by luck pretty much, but I'm obsessed. Like, I love like my face just looks really glowy and just very natural, or like not natural I shouldn't say, but just very healthy because it's so dewy, because again it hasn't been set with any powder. I probably am going to set it with like a little powder though, just because I don't want it to transfer a ton. But like the eyes I love, the lashes I love, brows I love, like the lip I love. I'm so happy I decided to do this video, and I'm so happy with my friend's choices. So thank you again if you helped me with this video. I love you, and thank you so much for watching. This was a lot of fun, and I'm excited to edit it and post it. If you liked this video, please subscribe, leave a comment down below, and like this video. Of course, it really helps me out. If you're a smaller YouTuber like me, let me know in the comments. I would love to check you out. We gotta support each other here in this community. So yeah, thank you again so much for watching, guys. I love you, and I will see you in my next video.